welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia. For those of you that are tuning in for the very first time, welcome, and I'm so delighted that you decided to stop by today. Well, in today's video, I am going to be continuing decorating in my living room for the summer. And as you can see in my background, I am going to be decorating my living room mantle. Now, as you can see here, I am starting with a blank slate. Everything has been cleaned. All spring and Easter decor has been removed and put away. And so this is what I'm starting off with. Now, this black square that you see underneath the mantle is the television set. There's nothing I can do about that, but I am going to decorate all around it. So before we begin, of course, I'm going to show you all the items that I'm going to be using, just in case you want to go out and purchase the items that I have, because they are available now. And so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so these are the items that I am going to be using to decorate my mantle here. I'm just showing you, it's a variety. I have some yellow roses here in this size. Then I have some of those miniature roses. I also have some of these white daisies right here. I also have some, let's see what we got here. Let me see, can I pull this over? I have some white zinnias with that yellow center. I have some more of these wildflowers and some of these miniature white flowers as well. And I also have some of these green hydrangeas. And I think that's about all I'm using. That's my color palette for this season. I'm going to be doing yellows and blues. And down below here, I am going to be using this garland here. Now, this garland here at the top, right here, this is my boxwood, and this came from Hobby Lobby. And then down below it, I have this green garland here. I like to call it celery garland, but that's not what it's called. This is also from Hobby Lobby, and I like to decorate this around the seasons. And I think that's about all that I am going to be using to decorate with. And I might add some other pieces as we go along. And I forgot to show you these as well. I pulled these. I like using these lock spurs here. I've used that in my centerpiece before. I like that soft pastel blue color. I also have this lock spur in this pale white and yellow as well. And this was a recent purchase here from my local Dollar Tree. How cute is that, with a little butterfly on it? And look at those delicate blue blossoms. Isn't that absolutely stunning? And they have that little yellow center. So without further ado, we're going to get started. Now I'm just showing you, I've decided to use 2 lanterns to flank the size of my large mirror on the mantle. And so the next thing I'm going to do is take my garland and fill in the edge here, the center, and around the lantern. So stay tuned. So this is what it looks like. I decided to use this garland and not to use the boxwood garland. And I'm just showing you the progress, and I'm gonna have to fluff this out just a little bit more, and then I'm gonna start adding in all my florals. So stay tuned, you guys. Okay, we're gonna start with these zinnias and spread these throughout. I'm going to do them, probably group them in 3s and 2s. So I have added in my zinnias here. And it's looking kind of bland right now because I'm at the starting point. But I have grouped them into sets of 3s. I have right here, as you can see, I have flanked this lantern with 2 on this side and 1 on this side. I decided to do 3 in the center, and I mimicked that on the other side. So I'm just going to continue layering my flowers, and stay tuned. To now add these berries in here, and as I mentioned early on in this video, I said most of the florals that I'm using, they are available in stores now, but however, I purchased these on clearance probably in December of 2020 from New River Pottery. I don't know whether they brought these back this year, but I just wanted to let you know that. So I decided to add in these berries, and I'm going to go ahead and put those in. Okay, so I have added in those grayish, frosty looking berries, and I'm just going to take you up a little bit closer so you can get a better view of what I'm seeing, because my lighting is not working with me today. So hold on, you guys. Now, these are the berries that I have added, and I'm loving this. I'm just giving you a quick swoop across the mantle so you can really see the colors and how they play well together. And I've added that butterfly, and you see how everything is kind of cohesive and working well together with the different textures, varying colors, and sizes. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to address this mirror here. So we're going to add a wreath up there. I'm actually going to return the wreath that I had up during the spring and Easter, and I'm just going to add a few little touches. So stay tuned. So this is the wreath that I am going to be using. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some white delicate florals. As you can see, I had some left over, but I'm just going to add some more, just little bitty accent touches all around throughout. And then I'm going to mount this on the mirror. So what I'm going to do is take over my leftover florals, and I'm going to add those in. So these are called wildflowers. I just wanted you to see. And I'm just going to literally clip these and place them in this wreath. I have my little handy dandy tool here, and I'm just going to clip it just like that. And because of where this wreath is made, all I have to do is just stick it into the base of the wreath, and it slides in beautifully. So stay tuned, you guys. And I think I'm going to add a little yellow in here. I'm going to put these little miniature yellow roses in here as well. So I'm just going to add those into the wreath. So now I have added my wreath, so I'm going to give you one final look at this mantle. Okay, this concludes my video for today, and I hope this video brought you much inspiration to help you in your summer decorating. And also, if you are visiting my channel for the very first time, please kindly subscribe, like, share my video, and leave a comment below. Introduce yourself so that I can give you a formal greeting just for stopping in today. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for believing in me, and I'm so happy to see you again. So until the next video, happy decorating. Bye-bye.